G'day CNC Warriors, welcome to the Tech Center of ISCA Plus in Auckland, New Zealand, where we have no time for downtime. ISCA has led the way when it comes to parting system, making them faster and better over the last 30 years. And today, I got something new and cool to show you. Parting or cutoff is synonymous with high productivity. With the speeds our machine shops are hitting these days, parting systems have come under immense pressure in reducing cycle time. So, Beach Boys will tell you there is good vibration, but let me tell you, there is no good vibrations when it comes to machining. So today, I got a parting system for you with no vibration. Here it is. This, my friends, is the Logic F Grip from ISCA with no vibration. This is the shiz when it comes to parting. This rigid holder along with the quad blade is what's going to guarantee that vibration-free parting. So let's take a closer look, shall we? The unique design of the holder is where the rigidity comes from. The deep pocket, the strengthening weight, and all the contact points make sure there's no vibration in the system at all.
Oh yeah.
And now, when it comes to the blade, it features quad pockets that's rigidly clamped into the holder, and it features internal coolant. And the benefit of this blade system is that when you have to index it, there is no setup time. You're not resetting the tool. Because it's so rigid, you can expect your parts to come out with a high degree of straightness and excellent surface finish. The security and stiffness of this parting system means that you can run a narrower insert and save your materials that way. Now, you can actually part off a 160mm billet with your 3mm insert.
Oh wow, man.
And if you're brave enough, there is a high feed version of these inserts available that will let you part off at rates that was never thought possible before. This tooling system is so easy to use. It's just plug and play. It will fit your standard 25mm turret. But wait, we have another version here for you. This is the jet crown. The crown, as we call it, actually clamps the quad blade in place while also having two coolant nozzles. The screws are gone, and this is how you're going to achieve that extra tool life that you want for hard to cut materials. So let's have a look at these two running in a machine. It's truly spray and walk away. If you want trouble-free parting or want to know more about these tools, talk to your local rep or call us. So remember to subscribe, and this is ISCA where we have no time for downtime. Standard turret. Oh my god, I almost dropped on my leg. Never thought possible. That is even bigger words though. Imagine before, never thought possible. That's 4 words. What am I saying? Thought possible before.